Leaving Estonia behind, we are continuing our Baltic journey into country number 6, Siveki from Latvia. Over the next 48 hours here in Riga, we are exploring the old town, learning about the dark Soviet history of the Baltics, checking out the nightlife and Christmas market, getting surprised by free-flowing champagne at breakfast, and relaxing in the spa before catching our next cross-border bus to Lithuania. Welcome to day 15 to 16 of our 36-day European adventure. Time check, it's already 10 p.m. and we've already checked in our home for the next 2 nights. The Wellton Riverside SPA Hotel, located right by the Daugava River and just a few steps from the old town. So let's just do a quick room tour. This is a very modern room. You have your desk, your flat screen TV, your tea and coffee equipment, and then a window and a large bed and a closet. And then let's check the bathroom. It's actually spacious and very sleek with tub and hot and cold shower. Since it's Friday night, we decided to explore Riga's nightlife. We're heading to a local gay bar. We are currently here at Top Club. It's essentially the main and most well-known gay club in Riga. The venue itself has a cool layout. When you enter, there's a cozy front lounge and a bar area, a dark room, and a larger disco floor and showroom. It was really fun seeing local queens perform and feeling the local energy. But coming from the Philippines, our drag performance standards are undeniably high. If you have never been to the Philippines, you truly should visit Manila and experience our drag scene in person. Good morning from Riga. I'm so excited to have breakfast today because let me just show you. Tada! Coffee or bubbles? We are honestly shocked to see sparkling wine in the buffet spread. So, Jai will continue the tour and I'll start drinking.
Hot dishes. All types of cereals. For salad. Cold cuts. This is the egg station and pancake.
We are now here at the meeting point for our first tour for today. We actually booked 2 walking tours today with the same company, one this morning for the old town and another one later this afternoon to explore Soviet Riga.
That's a quick overview of Riga history. First, it starts out as a wooden village of Finnic people, by the way, cousins of the Estonians, Livonian people. Then the Germans take over, and then all the other people come, one after another. There you go. And now we're going to talk a bit more specific history, and we'll be jumping sometimes from 13th century to 19th century back and forth.
The tour highlights how important this city was as a major trading hub in the Baltic Sea for hundreds of years. Riga has such a fascinating mix of Gothic spires, German merchant history, and incredible Art Nouveau architecture. In fact, they offer a separate tour for that. Seeing iconic landmarks like the House of Blackheads, St. Peter's Church, the famous cat house with its legendary black cat on the roof, and the medieval cobblestone lanes up close gave us a whole new appreciation of Riga's rich history. All that morning walk definitely worked up an appetite, so we're here at Lido for lunch, which was highly recommended by our tour guide. Lido is a true Latvian institution. It's a cafeteria style restaurant where you grab a tray and pick up traditional comfort foods, and everything looks amazing. Sabihin mo kung ano yan? Pork ribs with rice. This is pork with veg. Salmon and more veg, our beer and dessert.
The torturing in KGB basements and just getting rid of these minorities, including these red Latvian riflemen. And then, only late 60s, they remembered about the riflemen. They remembered they.
We just started our second tour for today, the Soviet Riga. The Baltic nations share a heavy and sobering history under the occupation. This tour went deep into what daily life was like behind the Iron Curtain. What made this tour especially moving was that our guide personally shared the story of his own great grandfather and his family, recounting their painful experience with deportation and just how difficult and harsh daily life was during the occupation. Alongside those personal struggles, we also learned about the incredible, peaceful resistance of the people. The most unforgettable story is the Baltic Way in August 1989, when around 2 million people joined hands to form an unbroken 675-kilometer human chain across Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania to demand their freedom. Hearing these personal family accounts and historical moments right where they happened give us immense respect for the resilience and spirit of the Baltic people.
When you turn this from a commemoration into celebration.
We are back here at the Riga Christmas market, but right before coming here, we went back to our hotel for our scheduled spa appointment. For everybody's privacy, we did not film, so we're just sharing some photos. The spa features an aquathermal area complete with a heated pool, jacuzzi, herbal saunas, steam rooms, and even a cold plunge. Plus, since we are staying at the hotel, we get a really nice discount on admission.
Hey, we're here now at Riga Christmas Market here at Latvia. So it's actually relatively bigger as compared to other Christmas market we had as compared to Tallinn. We also like the configuration of the Christmas market because it's actually scattered across. Better selection too of different types of mulled wine. We had black currant, mulled wine, and had a traditional earlier, and there's a lot of Latvian food as well available. So it's really if you have time and you have an opportunity to visit December here in Riga, ulit na ulit. Isa pa. The Riga Black Balsam Hot Drink. Which one daw? Tropical original or black coral?
The best one.
Which one is the best one?
Different for everyone else.
Okay, let's do the black coral.
Cheers to Riga!
Cheers! What can you say about Riga Central Market? Ay, mali. Christmas market.
So cozy.
Yun lang.
Yeah.
Pero maaga po nagsasarado. 9 p.m. sarado na. Pero beautiful pa rin siya. Ayan ang kanyang Christmas tree ng Riga Christmas Market.
I'm gonna miss this breakfast. Cheers!
Good morning! Our last day here in Riga, Latvia. It's a very good morning. So, there, we're along the river and we're heading towards the Central Market for final check and some food for lunch. This is the Riga Central Market, which is known to be one of the largest market in Europe. So we will go there.
Wow, this place is actually enormous. It's officially one of the largest covered markets in all of Europe and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The coolest fact about this place is that these 5 gigantic pavilions are actually repurposed hangars from World War I.
Oh wow! All types of smoked fish.
No, I hope we could bring some home.
Smoked salmon. Di ba nasarapan tayo sa Latvian
Yes,
sardines?
we need
Ito,
to
tingnan
find
mo.
one. How much? Gosh, there's so many options here. I'm very confused. I think we can bring this one home, the one in the can, not the one in plastic, so that it will be easier to bring home. Let's find something. What's this? Oh, pickles?
So this is the second market, all dry goods, clothes, shoes, and souvenirs. Their market is very organized and clean.
They actually have dedicated halls for fresh fish, smoked meats, cheese and dairies, fresh produce, and a gastronomy
So you can
area.
get your ambers. Okay, this is the gastronomy pavilion. So all food. So it's like a food court with many options, international food and Latvian food. Candies, oh wow.
Different types of cheese. Some cakes and pies.
Okay, so another food trip here in Riga, Latvia, and I'm having the meat pie. So good.
Anong pangalan ng meat pie na yan?
It sounds like Belasi. Parang it has meat. I think it has potatoes and cheese. So good.
And onions.
And onions. food is pork and beef dumpling, which is also known here in Latvia. And we're pairing it with Zotner beer, traditional Latvian beer. And we also bought Riga Black Balsam, Black Currant flavor, and also the original. We're missing the cherry, so we might get it from a different store. But yes, let me try the tumbler now. The difference is so not there. But it's so good. And I think it's topped with parsley. And then you dip it in sour cream. Definitely filling. Oh. And pair it with beer. Awesome.
We just picked up our bags from the hotel and we are now here at the Riga bus terminal. Our hotel is just a few minutes walk from here, and on the other side is the Central Market.
Yes! We are on our way to Lithuania, and we're just waiting for our bus from Riga bus station. So, ayan, we are luggaging ourselves with all of the bags.
So here's a quick station tour. You have your counter where you can buy your tickets, and then you have your screens for your platform. We did not use this entrance because we used the back side. You can buy your food. There are charging stations as well, and a lot of seating areas. We are now boarding and we're taking the Lux Express. We just left Riga. We are intentionally testing different bus companies across the Baltic region so we can compare each company. Tickets on Lux Express are super affordable at just 21 euros per person, and it comes equipped with reclining space, individual touch screen entertainment system, free Wi-Fi, and a clean onboard bathroom. Just remember to bring your own wired earphones so you can watch movies along the way. Wrapping up our time in Latvia from the comfort of our bus seats. See you in Lithuania. Bye!